How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Chevelle Malibu. Has been cloned to an SS. Real solid original panel car, done in its factory mist blue with the blue interior. The grill, the bumpers all been re-chromed. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Again, it retains all the original body panels. Just a clean car, North Carolina car. See, the tail light bezels have all been replaced. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. And this is the mist blue, which is lighter than the Marina blue. You see the car's real straight and flat down the sides. It's got 327, it's got about 300 horse. It's got vintage AC and heat. It's got power brakes, power steering. It's got a 700R overdrive trans, aluminum radiator in it. I put about 100 miles on this car myself, me and a buddy of mine. All the interior's really nice. It was a factory air car, so it's got all the proper vents in the dash. See, the headliner's real nice, tight. All the interior looks very, very nice. Jams all look good. Got the factory jack and spare. It's got the factory rallies with the flat caps and red line radials. Got a trio of gauges nicely mounted there under the dash. Just a real clean car. Drives out beautiful. We'll fire it up. Choke and everything on it works. It's got duals out the back, sounds real good. Backup lights, everything worked like it should. It's got a nice camshaft in it. Tell you, it's just a fun car to drive. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Looks like we got a bit of traffic today. Good looking car with the rallies and everything. Have a great day, folks.